Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we are going to compare Tradelle and Zendrop to figure out which platform is best suited for you. Both Zendrop and Tradelle cater to dropshippers but with key differences. Number 1. Product sourcing and selection. Zendrop offers a curated selection of products. They are known for quality and faster shipping. This can save you time researching products, but it also limits your options. On the other hand, Tradelle provides access to a wider variety of products from various suppliers, allowing you more control over product selection. However, you will need to invest more time researching quality and shipping times. Number 2. Pricing. Zendrop charges a monthly subscription fee with varying types, offering different product allowances and features. There are also per order fulfillment fees, whereas Tradelle offers a freemium model with limited features. Paid plans unlock advanced features like profit margin calculations and bulk product imports. There are also separate fulfillment fees based on chosen supplier. Number 3. Inventory management. Zendrop manages inventory for you, so you don't have to worry about your stock. However, you might have less control over stock levels. On the other hand, Tradelle is primarily a research tool and does not manage inventory. You will need to coordinate directly with suppliers for stock management. Number 4. Order fulfillment features. Zendrop offers robust automation features, allowing you to set up auto-fulfillment and custom branding for a seamless customer experience. Whereas, Tradelle provides some automation for order fulfillment, but not as comprehensive as Zendrop. You will likely need to do more manual work. Number 5. Customer support. Zendrop offers dedicated customer support for dropshipping businesses. Tradelle's customer support might be more limited compared to Zendrop. Conclusion. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your priorities. New dropshippers or those wanting a hassle-free experience with faster shipping and branding might prefer Zendrop. Experienced dropshippers looking for a wider product selection and prioritizing product research might favor Tradelle. I recommend checking out both platforms' free trials to get a feel for their interfaces and features before making a decision. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.